Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Hey, welcome to Full Circle Ozarks, and we are out here on our church property. What are we going to do?
I think I want to dig a hole.
I think we're going to dig 2 holes, put in 2 posts, and install 1 gate.
1 gate, yeah.
And we're going to use this auger. I believe it's a 9-inch. Is that right?
Yes.
9-inch?
9-inch auger.
And we're going to go down 3 feet and put in a, is that a 6x6 or 8x8?
I believe that we'll have to measure it.
We will. Yeah.
It's what we're going to use for posts is what we had cut on our sawmill, and it's cut from a utility pole. In a few videos back, if you go, you'll see where we cut this. Talking about turning into some beautiful wood, and so we're gonna use this for post out here.
Yeah, and the land here is very uneven, steep, but we got this, don't we?
We got it. Let's do it.
Okay, he's gonna back it off now, which always just makes butterflies in my stomach. There he goes. Oh my goodness, my goodness. And he just acts like it's not a big deal. If anyone has ever put on one of those post hole diggers, you know the struggle, because it is real. Look, perfect. Get up here and dig some holes. I don't know if you can see the little orange flag, but that is just about where we want to dig the hole. Wasn't too bad, and we didn't hit as many rocks as we was afraid we were going to hit, so that's good.
I forgot to bring the post hole diggers out. I knew there'd be something that I would forget, but I did bring a shovel. We'll see if we can dig that out just a little bit, and then we'll go bring a post over.
Oh yeah, that's really deep. If we pulled the post over, it would have been ideal.
Okay, this post that we've got, again, this is what we had milled a few months back on our sawmill, and we said I would get you a dimension of it. It is, we get my tape measure in my pocket. I did find it. Six inch by 6 inch.
Okay.
So, but this was milled from a utility pole. So we're gonna cut it right in half here.
Mister. That was heavy.
Yeah, it was.
Get it leveled up. And we don't have water out here, so what are we gonna do?
Well, we thought about that, didn't we?
We did.
We got some 5-gallon buckets of water. I'm just gonna pour some cement in here in just a moment. But I need to stretch my string across.
Is that what that orange string is for?
Yeah. I want to make sure the post is twisted in the right direction going that way.
Okay.
So that's the next thing I want to do.
All right, well, we'll go get that stuff and we'll be
Right back.
Loading up the 80-pound bags of cement. Not cement, concrete. And the water.
Out pretty good.
Yeah.
Even though I didn't have my bucket. Okay, you're
gonna pour that in there?
I'm gonna lay it down here. I'm gonna take the shovel, we'll just crack it open, and let it go in. Let's see how it works out.
Can we just kind of hold it in the middle?
Yeah, if you wanna kind of use this so you kind of that one, then we'll have to move around on that side and get that one too. This way now.
Okay. Toward you? Be on this side?
Yeah.
Toward you? Hey, just come over a little bit more. Over here. Over here. Oh, wait. Okay. Go the way. Just a tiny bit more. Oh.
We'll be able to fine tune this one.
Okay. Right there.
Let me come around, look on that side. One bag is fine. Okay, would you check the corners now? Straight.
Oh no.
They need to go.
right there.
Hold it right there for a second. Okay, check the other side. Here. Which way?
This way, just a little.
That's good?
And the ground is already pretty wet, so that will absorb pretty quick.
Okay, here comes some water.
We really like to use, instead of the concrete, we like to use Fast 2K, but it was a little more expensive, so we thought we'd give this a try for out here. Okay, it was a whole lot more expensive. Now, after we're done with this, we're going to put some rows of barbed wire going that way. But we're not going to try to put the gate up tonight, right? Because we're going to let it set.
I think we probably will. We'll see. I mean, probably not. Okay, you want to check that, see if it's still straight?
Yeah. That's good. Pretty good, isn't
I
it?
think it's good.
Yeah. Woo-hoo.
Okay.
Okay, I get to say it. That ain't going nowhere.
Several of my friends, let me back up just a little bit, cutting my head off there. Several of my friends, when they attach a piece of wood, they put a post in, they'll go over and they'll shake it. Brock from Rock Hill Farms, I laughed at him this morning watching one of his videos. He was working on something, that ain't going nowhere. Same way with this one. Luminal Acres, Al.
Yeah.
And so anyway, we're going to let this here set and dry overnight. We'll go ahead and measure for the other posts and get that in and let it dry also, I think.
Yeah.
And then we'll go from there. So we'll be right back with you. Well, we got this other hole drilled. I didn't bother to show you that. It's kind of rinse and repeat from the last one. But we're going to get this post dropped down in there, get a little bit of cement around it, and call it a day. So here we go. So it kind of sat there for a moment. Before I pack this down any tighter, I think I'm just going to bring the gate back up here and just double check just to make sure. Because once we get this set, it ain't going nowhere. Perfect. Perfect. I like it. I don't think it's going anywhere now. Well, good morning. It's now the next morning, and these posts have set overnight, so they seem to be nice and solid. The cement is kind of set up, so we're going to kind of work on this, get it leveled off, and get the gate hung. So here we go. Okay, let's go get the next one. I'm so pleased with how sturdy that post is now. So I think we're ready to bring the gate over again, kind of measure, and we'll drill some holes. Okay, time to go get a wrench.
That makes it a lot easier with that wrench, don't it?
Oh yeah. I think it's going to be okay. We'll try it. See if it'll open.
So we're going to finish up just staying in these posts, and then we're going to put little solar caps on them. What I'm using to stain is this Cabot Australian timber oil. It's really good. I've used it several times. I really enjoy using it. So we'll get that. We had to make a little bit of adjustment to the top so the solar cap would fit. And as soon as I get these painted, we'll get the solar caps on. So we'll put a couple of coats on it and then put that solar cap on and it's going to be so pretty.
That looks nice, doesn't it? Let me get the other one ready.
Okay.
I'll get the other one ready and we'll get it on the post. I got to do a little bit of trimming with my grinder. So we'll swing the camera around and I'll grab my grinder and we'll get that one ready. Okay, this one will fit nicely there. Get the light put on it and we'll get it up there. One of the things I want to show you here, if you'll follow me around here.
I'll follow you anywhere.
These are the solar lights that we're going to put up. That cement just go in there, kind of twist and lock in, but I'm worried that if you get a little bit of wind, it just pop off. So I got a plan. Right here, I'm going to bore a little hole right there in the middle. Okay. And now that little hole, you can see right there I just bored, we're going to put a screw in it. There we go. Now that can't come off. So now then, before I actually mount this, I want to hand it back over to cotton top and she's got some painting to do. You missed the spot. I better be nice. I know where that spot will be. It'll be right on my nose. No, she didn't miss the spot. I was just messing with her.
I'll have to do this 2 or 3 times to cover the bare wood.
Sweetheart,
Yeah.
this is cedar. It's not bare wood.
Oh. You're so funny. You're so funny.
Okay.
All right. You can put your little top knot on it.
Put the top knot on it?
Put the top knot on it.
Well, let me grab the top knot and we'll get that mounted.
I'm going to move this.
The top knot is installed. Well, Cotton Top, we done it, didn't we?
We did.
This is actually the next day. We had some solar lights that we wanted to put on top of each post. So you'll notice each post has a solar light. We'll try to get a nighttime view where the solar lights are on. But this has been a fun little project, hasn't it?
It has. Yeah. Yeah.
But
It's 99.99% done. I still have a couple of little touch-ups on it to do, but
Cotton Top loves to paint, and she's always wanting to touch up with that one fine little thing. But you do a great job too, Howard.
thank you. Thank you. And you'll notice that, I don't know if can they see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we tied some of the construction tape on the barbed wire strands that we had put on the fence, just because we don't want anyone accidentally running into the barbed wire, and because he is such a fashionista. You matched your shirt, your cap, and the little ribbons.
Well, folks, I think this is where we're going to end the video. Thank you so much for coming along. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. I hope you enjoy this content. If you do, make sure you share it with a friend. Click that like button. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. But anyway, take care. God bless. And we'll see you again on the next Full Circle Ozarks.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.